My name is Jana Locarwakel, BSED 2 Batch 2 major in Mathematics. So, for today's video, I would like to discuss to you the properties and classification of quadrilaterals. So, let me define first what is quadrilateral. So, the word quadril is four, and lateral means side. So quadrilateral is four side. So there are many properties of quadrilateral, but like trapezoid, rhombus, kite, rectangle, triangle, and many more. So quadrilateral has four-sided polygon and bounded by four finite segments. So quadrilaterals has two diagonal which classified into convex and concave. So in case of convex quadrilaterals, diagonals always lie inside the boundary of the polygon. So quadrilateral is four-sided. So each of this angle has 90 degrees. So it's total of 360 degrees. First, what is parallelogram, which is one of the properties of quadrilaterals? So this is the shape of, or this is the parallelogram with four sides. So the properties of parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. So in opposite angles are equal. So next is the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. If any one of the triangles is 90 degrees, then all are right angles. So for example, let me cite an example. So if one example, opposite sides are equal length. Opposite sides are equal lengths though. If D and C, if angle D and C is equal to A and B, and D and A is equal to C and B. That's the opposite and equal length. So number 2, opposite angles are equal measures. So if opposite angles are equal measure, if angle D is equal to angle B and angle A is equal to angle C, that's the opposite angles are equal measures. Number 3 example. So opposite sides are parallel. So if angle DC is parallel of angle AB, and angle DA is parallel angle CB. So this sign is called parallel. So it's all about the parallelogram. Properties of quadrilaterals is square. So square is all sides are congruent. Each interior angle measures 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal and are perpendicular bisectors of each other's. Every square is a parallelogram in which diagonals are congruent and bisect the angles. So every square is a rectangle and rhombus. So allow me to cite an example. So if all are equivalence, it goes like this. Number 1, angle A and D is equal to angle B and C. and angle A and B is equal to angle D and C. Number 2, all angles are right angles. If angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Number 3 example. Opposite sides are parallel. So angle A and D is parallel to angle B and C. And angle A and B is parallel to angle D and C. So that's the square. And now, let's proceed the next topic, which is one of the properties of quadrilateral, which is the rectangle. So the properties of a rectangle is all angle is a rectangle or right angles. So the opposite side are equal and in a rectangle. The diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. So every rectangle in a parallelogram with at least one right angles. So let me cite an example. For example, the opposite side are equal lengths. So the opposite side are equal lengths. So angle A and angle D is equal to angle B and angle C. And angle AB is equal to angle DC. Number 2, all angles are right angles. So angle A is equal to angle C, and angle B is equal to angle D. Last example. Opposite sides are parallel. So angle AD is a parallel of angle BC, and angle AB is a parallel of angle DC. That is all about a rectangle. So